The tinnitus started a long and grueling 16 months ago, and that would have been involving having a minor cold and getting on a flight, and as we were descending, my right ear slammed shut. And 2 days later, I was noticing a heart throb pounding sound in my right ear. The ringing started up in my right ear, and it was still plugged up. I was not getting hardly any sleep at all, depressed, irritable. Social life went right down the tube. It impacted every area of my life. No one was able to help me until Starkey. I got there at 8:30 in the morning, and by 3:30 in the afternoon, I became a new man. Starkey, as far as I'm concerned, gave me my life back. After she adjusted all the hearing, and I was already amazed at the improvement in my hearing capability, but when she started tweaking for the tinnitus masking, my jaw hit the floor. It was fabulous. It neutralized or masked the high-pitched ringing tinnitus that I had in my right ear, and I just told her that you people are miracle workers. I usually put them in about 6 o'clock in the morning, and they are sometimes in without being taken out at all until 10 o'clock at night. They are extremely comfortable, extremely comfortable. I don't even know that they're there. I do know a couple of other people that have tinnitus, and I told them, call that number immediately, make an appointment, and get your life back, and be changed forever, and pretty much be guaranteed that it's going to happen.